What's up guys, welcome back to a new Geeks tutorial video here with rockmedia.com. In today's video we'll be showing you how to repair your sport shoes and turning it from this situation into this. Welcome back. So as we said, So let's get into work now. First of all, you need to clean the place where you will put the glue. Okay, so all this space must be cleaned well. As you can see, there are dust. So we'll clean it with this abrasive paper. So you can see here the old glue is getting out. Let's clean this part side. And that's it. This has become a little bit smooth. So make sure that all the dust and residue is out of the sole. Okay. Let's put this inside. Yeah, so make sure they are inside in order not to touch them with the glue. So now we can apply the glue. So try to put the glue on the parts which will stick to the sole. Do not put in here. Yeah.
www.rackmedia.com.
Yes, I think this enough. Make sure you press it tightly. Yeah. And press with your hand. Clean your work space, workplace. See, it's can damage the workplace. Clean it as soon as possible and close the tube. Keep it dry a little bit. Yeah. So just in order to apply, in order to stick 1 or 2 minutes until the glue get a little bit dry in order to stick quickly. So after 1 or 2 minutes, as you can see, the glue has become dry. Now it will stick easily. Press it. Remove the extra. Yeah. So you can see it has become to stick properly. It's okay. Now it comes to the job of the shoes lace. So try to take one which is strong enough to hold the sole to the shoes. Okay. Tie it tight. Yeah, that's it. You can see because of the pressure, glue has become out and everything is going okay. So as you can see here, the sole has stuck into the shoes, and all you need to do is to keep it dry for at least 1 day. Okay, keep it away for on the shelf for 1 day, then take off the shoes lace and your shoes will be perfect. Thank you for watching. Hope this trick helped you to restore or recover your shoes and enjoy your sports, your activities again. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now. See you next video.